could also have lemon water or other herbal teas. So in addition to eating a great diet and staying well hydrated, it's very important to keep your sinuses clean, and that's a great thing to do on a cleanse as well. And many of you are familiar with a neti pot. You can purchase these either at the Main Street Clinic here, you could get them at one of the health food stores locally, or a variety of stores carry neti pots, and there's instructions on them. You mix with saline and irrigate your sinus passages. If you're not a big fan of netting or you're having ear irritation, then you may want to just use a sinus spray, and this is just a seasonal sinus spray that many people enjoy to help keep their sinuses clean. Another one that I use often when people complain of congestion and they're having spring allergies or they're doing a cleanse, and one of their complaints is sinus problems, is this is a nasosympatico oil, and this is just a really nice olive oil base with eucalyptus, peppermint, thyme, and lavender oils in it. So I have people just mix this oil right into saline or put it in their nasal passages and then do a rinse. So in addition to eating well and staying hydrated and keeping your sinuses really clean, there are several things on the market as far as like a detox powder goes. One of the ones that I use is the Thorne MediClear, but there's several brands out there of a nice hypoallergenic protein powder that has quercetin and green tea and chromium and other great nutrients for detoxification. In that one, or taken separately, one might want to take milk thistle. Milk thistle is a great herbal extract that's really nice for helping to support the liver. So for people that enjoy drinking alcohol, or they've ever had hepatitis, or they've got some liver things going on, you certainly want to check with your doctor first. But milk thistle is just a wonderful herb. You can also buy milk thistle seeds. You can blend them with flax, grind them up, and then make a nice milk thistle flax meal mix that you could put into cereals or smoothies. And finally, when you're on a cleanse, you not only want to eat well, stay hydrated, clean your sinuses, and flush out your liver, but you certainly want to support your gastrointestinal system. So getting lots of fiber. I've just recently brought this whole fiber blend into my practice and use it myself and offer it to my patients, but it has chia powder, flax powder, slippery elm, marshmallow, things like that. So a nice blend of some fibers in there to help bind the things that you're trying to eliminate. And finally, you'd certainly want to be on a probiotic, so that would be an acidophilus, and you could either get that through plain yogurt or plain kefir, or if you're eliminating those on a cleanse, then you could certainly take a supplement. So spring is a great time to cleanse, to eat light, to get out and exercise, get 20 minutes or so of sunlight on your body to get your vitamin D levels up, stay really well hydrated, and consider maybe doing a detox tea or doing some type of cleanse. I usually recommend for at least 7 days, but you could certainly go beyond that. And I will say that if you do have a medical condition like high blood pressure or diabetes or diverticulitis, which is a gastrointestinal problem, you certainly would want to check with your doctor before you engaged in a detoxification program. But spring is a great time of transition. It's almost like a rite of passage of going from the dormant winter months into the beautiful summer. It's a great time to do a cleanse. It helps with skin and energy and bowel function. Basically, it helps with everything. So I'm very encouraging of my patients to make some changes in the spring and freshen up their lives and freshen up their diet and move into summer feeling light and energetic.